मैं तुम्हें जान से मार दूंगा।
इंग्लिश गई भाड़ में, मैंने हाथ तो लगा के देखा।
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।
Already I have told about my policy yesterday.
Oh sir, policy no, policy.
What's your name?
UP sir.
What's UP?
Can I come in, sir?
State sir.
Why are you late?
Sir, there was written one book, what story that I have.
Oh, sit. Yeah, so what's your name?
UP sir, I'm already told.
What is UP?
State sir.
What's state?
Place sir.
What is this?
Practice sir.
What is practice?
Experience sir.
Shut up.
Thank you sir.
Sit, sit.
Pleasure sir.
There are very, very cool students in my class. So I will ask one sawal, okay? And you will give one jawab. So stand up. Tell me any scientist name. Alia Bhatt. Oh, I see. Sit, sit. Stand up. I will ask her one sawal and she will give one answer. So, because she is very, very intelligent in mathematics and she is a mathematician. So, I will ask one question, okay? Oh, get taiyar, okay? Tell me, what comes 5 plus 5? 11. How?
By mistake sir.
Oh, by 6, 6. Mathematics. Stand up. She is a master of English and very, very intelligent. And she knows cool. Yeah. So I will ask one question, okay? So tell me, what comes after 8? Oh, क्या बोल दी तू? Sit. So I will ask one question. Shriman, stand up. How will you translate into English? मैं तुम्हें जान से मार दूंगा।
इंग्लिश गई भाड़ में, मैंने हाथ तो लगा के देखा।
Very tense हुआ यार। So stand up and tell me any words spelling. So Tutur, yeah? And what will you read it? What does your father do?
My father is friend of Modi.
Oh, I see. Let's pronounce again. I'm going to teach one point translation. Okay. So दिल्ली में कुतुब मीनार है। अभी ट्रांसलेट श्रीमान है। What are you doing?
I'm sleeping, sir.
Why are you sleeping?
Because I'm feeling sleepy, sir.
So what did I say now?
I know, sir. दिल्ली में कुत्ता बीमार है।
Sit. सब फूल है। So stand up. Yeah. Tell me any story by which we can know something, we can learn something. कोई ऐसी स्टोरी सुनाओ जिसके जरिए हम कुछ सीख हासिल कर सकते हैं।
I called to my friend.
Yeah.
He was applying.
Yeah. Next.
He did not listen.
So.
When he called me, I was also funny and
What means?
it means जैसे करनी वैसी बात.
Oh, I see. Sit.
Thank you, sir.
What the hell are you doing? So it got over the class and your exam will be taken. Okay now. So be ready for giving examination. So students, be ready. So now your exam will be conducted. Okay?
Okay, sir.
On.
What cameraman? I'm not cameraman.
Okay. Yeah. कर लो आराम. क्या हो रहा है? Yes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Cheating. What happened? Come. What should do this? What should go on? Yeah, come.
I'm very good and I am very brave. Thank you.
This is my student. Very good. So, Umaira, speak.
I am studying very well and Paya sir is teaching us very well. Thank you for listening. I am very happy for sir is teaching me and he is very good sir and thank you for listening.
Speak.
Thank you, my teacher, who gave me a golden chance to speak in English. Today I am very खुश कि मुझे इस मंच पर कुछ बोलने का मौका मिला. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Wow, very good.
सर बहुत बढ़िया पढ़ाई. मेरा सर इज गुड टीचर.
सर इस बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाए. हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से पढ़े.
I would like to say I am very good in cheating and I am very bad in preparing for exam.
So you can see these are my very brilliant students. So they will succeed in their life. So I would like to finish.
Okay, clap everyone.